Hey, good morning, eighth grade online learners. Just want to thank you all for trying and watching these videos that probably drive you nuts. But thank you for watching and trying. Today we learn about the Pythagorean theorem. It is one of the coolest things you'll learn in eighth grade, and you'll use it a lot, especially if you go into construction or any kind of building. You need to be able to build right angles, okay? Um, so we're going to show you the visual first way of doing this, and then tomorrow you'll learn how to do the a squared plus the b squared equals c squared, just the formula way. But today's just pictures, so it's kind of easy actually. Um, so let me just show you. The goal is to figure out the area of this square right here. So to find the area of this square, you're gonna have to cut it up into pieces because it's tilted. Like, these little squares are easy because this is just a 2 by 2, which is 4. This is a 1 by 1, which is 1. But this one, you can't really tell how big the side length is because it's on a diagonal. So the goal is to ultimately find the length of that side length, but for now, just the area of that square. So to do that, we gotta divide this up, and so if I were to do this, I would just say, well, there's 1 square right there, right? There's 1. And then you could look at the other pieces and say, well, if I just look at this piece, it's almost 1, right? That's almost 1, but if I take, do you guys see this little piece right? You see this little piece right here? If I took that and flipped it, rotated it around and put it right here, you see how that would fit right there? So that makes another 1. So I've got this one and this one now. And then you'd have this piece along with, see this little piece, you'd flip it up and put it right here. That's another 1. And this may be confusing, but then you got another piece right here. And then if you put it with this little piece right here, and then move that piece to right here, that's another 1. And then one more piece right here, put it with this one, and then take this piece, put it right here. How many ones is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Um, but I want you to notice something. There's an easier way to figure out that this is 5. Guys, you guys see the 2 small squares? See this one? Plus this one? What's 1 plus 4? It's 5. So basically, you just add the 2 small squares to get the big square if you have a right angle. See this little square in the corner? If it's a right triangle, the area of the 2 small squares will always equal the large square. Okay? Whew. If you understand that, great. If you don't, uh, that's okay. Just hang in there. I think you'll get this. Um, so basically, if this is true, that means this is going to be 17 because because one because 1 plus 16 is 17. So that's it. That's you got it pretty much. You just add the 2 small squares to get the big square done. Um, for you guys that like a proof, keep watching. If you're like, I get it, I'm done. I don't want to watch this guy anymore. He's got a massive forehead. Ooh, that is a big forehead. I'm still a good person though. Okay, so look at this. Oh, whoops. So let's prove that the area is 7. We'll prove it. So see this triangle? Or this, sorry, see that square? That has an area of 9. Okay. And then you see this triangle right here? See that one? And see this triangle right here? So if I were to take that triangle and do that, move it to right here. Hey, look at that. That's an area of 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see that? Hopefully you saw that. If you didn't, that's okay. But anyway, so that these two are going to make 4. Area of 4, that means this triangle plus this triangle. If I slap them together, so if I take this one, turn it, and put it right here. Hey, look at that. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 9 is 17. Man, that's a lot of work when all you had to do was just add the two small squares to get the big square. Nice job. There we go. Do some more work on your slideshow. You're just going to drag and drop.